Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gold cut crease with glitter and a red lip. I'm starting out with my Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. I'm taking the second darkest brown shade and blending that into my crease, making sure everything's super blended, and I'm going to keep applying color until it gets a little bit darker. Next, I'm going to be taking the darkest brown and applying that deeply into my crease and my outer corners. Now it's okay if you blend a little bit too low or a little bit too close to your inner corner, because we're going to be carving out our crease with some concealer in a bit. Now I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with a flat concealer brush and carving out our crease. I was debating cutting this little clip out or even speeding it up, but I wanted to show the true time it takes for me to really carve out my crease, because it's really important to get a nice sharp line to get the perfect cut crease. So my camera ended up dying, but I'm using Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty, applying that to my lid with my finger, really packing in the pigment. Next I'm taking my Urban Decay eyeliner in Midnight Cowboy and applying that to the lid as well to make it super sparkly. I feel like a cut crease is always finished off with a nice wing, so make sure you get a nice, sharp, and even on both sides. Here I'm just applying some mascara and prepping my lashes for some false lashes, which is my favorite part. It transforms the look. Now I'm taking my favorite blush palette, taking this peachy shade and applying that to my cheeks. This one's by BH. Once again, taking Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty and applying that to my cheekbones instead of my lids this time as a highlight. This one is my go-to red. It is Mary Jo K by Kylie Cosmetics. And once the lip is on, that's the final look. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!